Have you or your child been the victim of abuse, sexual abuse, or suffered any type of injury while under the care of a Devereaux behavioral health facility? If so, you may be entitled to benefits and financial compensation for your injuries, trauma, medical care, physical pain, and emotional and psychological suffering. Contact our treatment center injury lawyers handling Devereaux mental health facility sexual abuse lawsuits. Headquartered in Villanova, Pennsylvania, and legally known as Devereaux Advanced Behavior Health, Devereaux operates in 13 states as of June 2021. Devereaux serves those with autism, intellectual and developmental disabilities, and other mental health disorders in inpatient, residential, and in-school settings. For almost 3 decades, a pattern of abuse at Devereaux Advanced Behavioral Health facilities allowed vulnerable children to be abused, sexually assaulted, and victimized. Historically, when young residents abused at Devereaux facilities tried to speak up, their cries were ignored. They were sedated, punished, or threatened into silence. Devereaux injury and sex abuse victims, which includes children and teenagers, don't have to stay silent any longer. The truth about what occurs to vulnerable children at Devereaux facilities has finally come out due to investigations by the Philadelphia Department of Human Services and Community Behavioral Health, as well as other agencies. To date, countless Devereaux sex abuse victims have reported being abused, and our child injury attorneys are finally holding the institution accountable through civil lawsuits. Devereaux injury, neglect, overmedication, and sexual abuse lawsuits have been filed for many types of physical injury and sexual abuse. These include, but are not limited to, sexual assault including rape, kicking, pushing and shoving, stomping, whipping, choking, hitting, molestation, groping, and inappropriate touching, and all other types of emotional, mental, physical, psychological, and sexual abuse. Please contact the Pennsylvania Child Sex Abuse Attorneys at Friday & Cox. They provide free case examinations and charge no fees if they are unable to recover compensation, benefits, and care for you and or your child. They handle child sex abuse cases against Devereaux facilities in all 13 states in which they have locations, as well as handling non-Devereaux sex abuse cases nationwide.